Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today we are going to prepare yummy and amazing Nutella stuffed whole wheat cookies. They are simple to prepare yet soft cookies center infused with molten and gooey layer of Nutella. Let's see how to prepare these beautiful chocolate cookies. First, prepare Nutella filling by lining a baking tray with parchment paper. Take a spoonful of Nutella, drop them on the parchment paper as shown in the video. Now freeze them until they are solid for at least 1 hour in the freezer. Next, take a mixing bowl. To it, add 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of melted butter, take an electric whisker and beat it until the sugar is dissolved. Now take 1 egg. Do not add whole egg. You can see some egg white is left over in the bowl. Now beat with the whisker until the mixture turns soft. Next, add in 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Place a sieve, add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a cup plus 1 tablespoon of whole wheat pastry flour. Now sift this. Take an electric whisker, beat until everything is mixed. Our cookie dough is now ready. This is sticky, so place this in the fridge for 30 minutes until it turns hard. Now remove the dough and the Nutella from the freezer. Now pinch some dough and give it the shape of a ball. Now flatten it between your palms. Place the solid Nutella in the center and seal the ends completely as shown in the video. Do the same for the remaining. I am taking here few chopped almonds and garnish it on the cookie. Now bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. You can see some cracks to the cookies. That doesn't matter as long as your cookies are soft. You can store them in a container and warm them for 30 seconds and enjoy the molten Nutella chocolate cookies with your friends and family members. You can see they are very yummy and just melt in the mouth. Do try and let us know how it turns out. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!